Hey guys! In this video, we will show you what's inside one of the most advanced battle tanks in the world. And if that wasn't exciting enough, we'll also tell you how it can identify and destroy targets from miles away with the help of some high-tech equipment. Let's get into it. A modern battle tank is like a metal box on wheels, right? Well, yes, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Inside, it's divided into several sections. In the front is the fighting compartment, where all the action happens. Here, the crew operates the tanks, weapons, and other systems to engage enemy forces. Behind the fighting compartment is the engine compartment, where the tank's power plant is kept. This is what makes the tank move. It also has an electrical system that provides power to the various systems in the tank. Towards the rear is the ammo storage area, where the tank's ammunition is kept. This is separated from the fighting compartment by a bulkhead to prevent the fire from spreading. Behind that is the crew compartment, where the tank's crew of 3 to 5 soldiers sits. They are the ones who operate and maintain the tank. Now let's talk about the firepower of these metal boxers. Some tanks are equipped with a 120mm main gun that fires armor-piercing rounds. These are capable of penetrating thick armor, even at long ranges. But hitting the target is another matter. That's where the tank's advanced targeting system comes in. It uses a combination of sensors, cameras, and computers to help the gunner aim the gun. Some newer tanks have pre-programmed ammunition, which means the round is already set to explode when it hits the target. Others have a top-over attack, which allows them to strike targets from above. This can be especially effective against enemy tanks, because it is harder for them to defend against attacks from above. Some tanks are also equipped with machine guns and automatic cannons for close-quarters combat. These are used to engage enemy infantry or to suppress enemy positions. Some tanks also have anti-aircraft guns to defend against air attacks. But all this firepower is useless without the right ammunition. That's why tanks carry a large supply of ammo, both for their main gun and for their smaller weapons. Now let's talk about the armor. A tank's armor is what protects its crew from enemy fire. It usually consists of several layers of steel, but the exact composition varies from tank to tank. Some newer tanks have composite armor, which is made up of steel and other materials. This makes the tank lighter while providing the same level of protection. Some tanks also have an active defense system. This is a computer-controlled system that detects incoming projectiles and then fires small rockets to intercept them. Now let's talk about the crew. A typical tank crew consists of 3 to 5 soldiers. The driver operates the tank's engine and controls the movement. The gunner operates the main gun and is responsible for engaging enemy targets. The loader is responsible for loading the ammunition into the gun. There may also be a commander who is responsible for the overall operation of the tank and a radio operator who communicates with other units. The crew of a tank works together to accomplish a mission. They must be able to communicate effectively and work as a team in order to be successful. We hope you enjoyed this peek inside a modern battle tank. Remember, these are complex machines that require a lot of training to operate. The crew of a tank is highly trained and skilled, and they put their lives on the line every time they get into the tank. If you want to learn more about tanks, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.